What's going on, guys? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can consistently make $500 a day or more trading Solana meme coins. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So guys, smash the like button down below, smash the subscribe button. If you like my content, please support me that way because it helps me grow and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the sale on my private alpha group. We've been printing profits on Solana meme coins consistently for so long now, so definitely check it out. There is a sale live as it shows you here on the screen by clicking that wop.com link. As always, guys, here's the video. As always, guys, I'll start with a disclaimer. None of this information should be considered financial advice. Trading cryptocurrency, let alone meme coins, is extremely risky. I do this for educational purposes only. All right, guys. This video all about how you can make consistent money in meme coins, $500 a day, $1,000 a day, $10,000 a day. I'm seeing so many people lock in some crazy profits using a range of different trading tools that I'm going to show you in this video. So you obviously can trade Solana meme coins in a range of different ways. We have different market caps that essentially mean when you want to get into these tokens. So recently in a video, I showed you guys how to snipe particular tokens. So essentially you're looking to get into tokens at launch, okay, and ideally swing trade them straight away and lock in some crazy fast profits. And the best way to do that, guys, is obviously using Pepe bot. Okay, Pepe Boost bot, okay, and the best way to find some of these early tokens is using the bonk bot alerts, okay, come into burned or come into renounced, okay, or burned and renounced here, and just literally sitting in this Telegram, okay, with notifications on to make sure that you're getting up-to-date recent launches, okay. Now, some of these, as you can see here, open 1 minute ago, okay, so you could have sniped this straight away, okay, freeze disable, burn disable, renounce, you can snipe this straight away, okay, and lock in some crazy gains by getting in so early. But obviously with this one, it's super risky, right, because some of these tokens are so early that they can rug quite quickly, or they can dump quite quickly because it is such a quick pump and dump essentially, right? Like look at this one right here. It's essentially about Mount Rushmore because the Trump meta is currently a massive narrative. Now, the other way that you can actually find some of these early meme coins is joining the Discord Ligma node, okay? Coming to pending and keeping an eye on this channel here, okay? And as you can see here, this one was created at 6:30 earlier tonight. It's obviously an hour later. So I did miss this, obviously, but this is how you can snipe some of these ones as well. So using a range of different techniques, okay? Another one, obviously, you can use is Bird Eye, guys. You can come here and link it by listing time and just see some of the new tokens that are coming out, right? So if I refresh this page, it's gonna show me listing times that are currently up to date. Now, obviously, I like to use Deck Screener as well because that's a reliable source, okay? And you can use both Bird Eye, Deck Screener, Telegram, okay, like I showed you with BonkBot, and obviously Ligma node to check all of these different tokens. So there is a range of different options. As you can see here, 3 created in the last minute. So you can definitely snipe these tokens, and the best bot obviously is Pepe Boost, guys. As you can see here, I'll take it back, there it is. Over on the side, Pepe Boost, guys, and I do have a sign up link for that down below. It is the best bot to snipe tokens before they launch or to snipe them as they are started or just created, okay? Now, the next sort of swing trade that I like to do is early tokens. So as you can see here, this is an example that we've just taken in my Discord group, okay? So shout out to Sexy for getting us into this token at under 200K market cap. As you can see, it's at 370K at the moment, so we are fast approaching a 2X already. So if you're someone that doesn't like to snipe meme coins here and get that initial pump and then lock in gains in that first pump, then maybe you're more of a safer trader. And the way that I like to safely trade these meme coins that have dropped within, say, the first 10 or half an hour sort of time period is essentially use TA. Now, I've recently been writing a lot of threads, okay, around my meme coin analysis. So as you can see here, I'm writing a daily thread about some of these trades, okay, and obviously this one here is about runes as well because runes are essentially meme coins on Bitcoin, so don't fade them. But what I'm talking about is how I analyze these trades, okay, and a lot of these ones on here are the third type of swing trading that you can make for consistent gains when trading meme coins, and I'll get to that very shortly. But essentially, do check me out on Twitter, guys, because I'm dropping lots of analysis every single day on Solana meme coins. But essentially, what I'm looking at here is finding a nice sort of narrative. So this one, obviously, as you can see here, it's following the current Pride Month narrative that we're seeing as the current meta. So it's one that you want to be having exposure to. Okay, it's got high volume. As you can see over here, we've got 1.6 volume and it's only been out for literally 2 hours, right? So that's a lot of volume in the first 2 hours. So it's got a good ticker, okay? So SEX is a good ticker. It's really easy to hyperlink on Twitter, okay? And you could obviously shield this in different groups as well. And if you do dive in and check the rug check, okay? So don't forget, you do want to make sure that you are safely getting into these contracts. So for me, I did chuck it into my bots, okay? I chucked it into rug check, all right? I chucked it into Rickbot in the Discord. I chucked it into Soul Scanner on Telegram, guys, and I essentially made sure that the contract was nice and safe. And the beauty of Pepe Boost is that it actually shows you. So if I come up here, guys, I've obviously got a little bit of profit because I was in under 200K. And the beauty here, as you can see, guys, sign up using this link. This is the best bot currently to be using in Solana Memecoins, whether you want to snipe or whether you want to be buying these meme coins and swing trading them for multiple X's, okay? And this is how I lock in crazy profits every single day. But as you can see here, I pasted the contract link straight away in here. Now it shows me a range of different things. So obviously I had 11 Solana in my wallet. As you can see here, this is what the market cap was, my initial buy, okay? It shows me how many buyers are in there, okay? So I was quite early, I was within 200 buyers. It shows me it was renounced, LP was burnt, freeze revoked. So those are the 3 green ticks that you must have if you're getting into these tokens. If they don't have those, guys, please be cautious because it means that they will likely rug very soon. It obviously had 33% for its top 10 holders. So that's something to be aware of because a lot of big wallets might look to dump as soon as it starts to pump up to that first sort of leg, right? And obviously, as you can see here, it only started trading 2 hours ago. So it is an early swing trade for that first sort of wave that I'm looking for that pump. Obviously, it has some socials. So it has a Twitter and has a Telegram. So it's a really good meme coin, okay? And it's really early. So this one I'm looking to probably swing trade for multiple X's from around that 200K level to maybe half a mil or up to a mil or even higher if that token can get there, guys. And obviously I have sniped it here. I sniped it multiple times whilst it dipped because in the chart, as you can see, I saw a consolidation pattern, okay? We were ranging between a range, okay? And it was likely that we were gonna break out because we're setting high lows, okay? And we were consolidating, we saw volume drop off, and then obviously we've seen an increase in volume down the bottom there as well. So you definitely wanna make sure that you're trading using TA to make sure you're getting into these meme coins. And obviously, a lot of my DCA was in this range, and as you can see here, I'm up 80%, and obviously it pumped over 2x just before as well. So that's the second type of trade. So we've showed you how to snipe tokens, okay? And now I've showed you how to swing trade these high volume tokens or these early tokens that have just been released but are safe because we've checked them using the rug checkers. The last sort of trade, guys, is essentially meme coins that are essentially higher market cap. So anything that's at least 1 million or up to 250 million, okay? And you can swing trade these and you obviously have to be a bit different, right? Because the 2x in these sort of tokens does take a bit longer or obviously a higher market cap to push. So a prime example of that is free on Sol. So obviously the Trump meta is a huge narrative right now. So you want to be finding tokens that fit that narrative essentially so you can swing trade these very aggressively. Now, as you can see here, this is what I shared in my Discord before. I obviously shared it on Twitter, but this is what the chart looked like. We set a higher low that bounced off the 0.786. And what I've found recently that, as you can see here, we missed that first wave up to that pump up here at nearly, I think it was 800K market cap. And it's obviously consolidated down here. And what I'd like to see is obviously bounces at the red fibs. So the 0.786 and the 886. Now, obviously, as you can see here, they set a higher low and it bounced twice off those 2 fibs. So that shows me a lot of strength as well as the narrative. Like it says here, the Trump meta is so important because that fits where the liquidity, where the volume, where the traders are looking right now. So that's why we took that trade. And obviously it pumped up to these levels. And that's why it's always important to keep your fibs, okay, after it has started to pump, okay. We saw an increase in volume, as you can see down the bottom, okay. And it did pump up here. And I aggressively sold a lot of my bags here, okay, because I was unsure if this sort of meta would continue. And I had obviously traded it from down here all the way to here. And that's an easy, look at that, 2x, guys. So that's an easy way to make $500 a day if you have a couple of Solana to play with. And obviously, as you can see here, it is so important to aggressively take profits and aggressively cut weak positions. And they are my 2 main rules when trading these meme coins. So I hope you found this tutorial really useful for how you can make consistently $500 a day, tens of thousands of dollars a day, depending on your wallet size, guys, $100 a day if you're starting with $10, okay? And use these 3 different strategies to trade these meme coins and make consistent profit. Let me know if you have any questions down below, guys. I'm more than happy to help you out. Cheers. So there you have it, guys. That's how I consistently make $500 or more a day trading Solana meme coins. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well because it helps me grow and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the sale to my private alpha group, guys. We've been printing profits, over 425x in profits over the past month or so. So definitely check out the wop.com link down below to sign up and join 250 members in my alpha group. As always, guys, take care and I will see you again soon.